Okay, this one is legendary Cunha guy, Rua de Cunha. So we're gonna walk down that way. And then before we even do, we'll give you a little bit of a taste for where we're at. Galaxy Casino, straight that way. And this is Regidor Street, which is kind of a major street. This one is Olympic Avenida Olympica. Like, there's a stadium down that way. So there's Sports Street is kind of down that direction, but it's in that area, and there's a big arena. This one we just call it the Nike store. And then we're gonna just go all the way down into that area down that way. Okay. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So let's go down to Cunha guy. So Cunha guy is a legendary street, and I think they call it the food street. Chinese people will call it the food street. So they'll kind of a destination because they think of it as the place to get a lot of good food, but it's actually a good place to get tourist stuff. The better place to get food would be down that way on Regidor Street, which we did a separate video for. There's a Nike store, and then this whole area is called Bomberos. So this one have like a Saturday market in this area, but it's closing now. So we're gonna head down our focus street here. We'll just kind of capture some of the artwork here. So you got artwork there, and we got artwork there as well. We're just gonna take this nice and slow. Try to capture the experience. Got all kinds of side streets as well. So we're gonna keep on walking down that way, but you also have side street stuff. Pretty cool. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is just keep on walking down. Let me show you some of the highlights as well. Let's see. It's kind of a dessert shop, sweets. This one came up during COVID era, so it's kind of a new restaurant that's on the scene. Sengchong. So yeah, stir-fried crab. It's gonna keep on going all the way up, and then we're gonna maybe go into some side streets briefly as well. It's a pretty popular street, as you can imagine. Let me see. Pork chop bun. There's all these side streets as well. And they'll go down to these little alleys. Let me just kind of show you. That's new right there. Holland fries. It's kind of at the corner there. And then now we kind of come up to the end of Cunha guy, and we start getting these long lines. Lord Stowe's is closed already, but usually this one right here, Lord Stowe's, will have egg tarts, and that'll be very popular. And this beef pao will usually be very popular as well. So this is Lao Day beef pao, beef intestines. So let me just keep on walking down here. So yeah, let's see if we can walk up. So let me see. Okay. So now we're kind of at this park area, as you can see. There's some balconies up there too. Okay. So that was basically our target street all the way down, and there's also some areas too. There's a Starbucks. We could go down Clérigos as well. I would also go behind us a little bit more too, so we're probably going to go up that way in a minute. We got some long lines all the way down here as well. Let me see if we can get across here a little bit. Okay, so now you can see we can go down these side streets as well, and there's all kinds of side stuff down here. So we'll just go down just briefly, and then we're going to come back to Cunha. Yeah, here's all kinds of interesting stuff. There's a Thai restaurant right here as well. That's been there quite a while. And then you can actually, this is actually really photogenic as well. So let me just see. Maybe we'll just go down a little bit more because the Barcelona has some nice lighting to it. Let's see. That one looks pretty cool too. Okay. So I guess what we're gonna do is just kind of come around back up to Cunha, showing off some of the places along the way. And let me just see here. Yeah, we're gonna go up this one. So this one is, I think it's called like the Street of the Good Houses, Rua de Bem Casadas. And you got all these award-winning ones, all this stuff here. Going to a nice little plaza right there. And then we got tons more casinos. Rua dos Bem Casados, so that's the Street of the Good Homes, Good Marriages, something like that. And so we could definitely, you know, go down any of these little things all the way in this whole area, of course. But instead we're gonna go this way. Up there's a Portuguese restaurant. That one is, that's Clérigos. And that is Goa Nights up there. Just kind of capture this street a little bit. So this is also a pretty busy street. Got a Correia de Silva rooftop up there as well. And another rooftop up there. So there's several rooftops that you could eat at. So we're just basically gonna walk directly down this way. And basically what we're gonna do is come back to Cunha, which is directly straight ahead. So we just went into those alleys a little bit in Taipa village, but that kind of gives you a better context of how everything looks. Just so you, there's Shark Fin restaurant right there. So that one is basically only mainland Chinese tourists are gonna go there. This one called the Devil. That one's kind of cool because you got a little Saint Mary there. I think it's Fatima. So it's Virgin Mary Mother appearing to the kids in Fatima in somewhere in Southern Europe. Okay. So our target street was that one on the other side of the bus. That one. That was our target street. So we're just gonna go up. Show off some of this artwork here. And then we're just gonna head all the way up. It's a vehicle that kind of blocks our view a little bit. And there's some other tourist stuff here. And that goes all the way to the casinos, and it goes up to some beautiful housing up there as well, church. But then you can see all of Taipa. There's also some rooftops up there too, so there's a rooftop there and one up there as well. So we're gonna head back down, and then we're gonna go back into Cunha, and then we'll kind of end our street. So pretty cool. Let's see if we can. So we are gonna try to go across, go in front of that bus. And this one is Cunha guy right there. So there we go. You got to see Chinese, they call it food street. So. And because it's such a busy street, and I think people like to see this one on camera, we just walk all the way back to where we came from. Okay. So just walk all the way down. Then we're gonna end the video. So pretty cool. Cunha guy. Okay. Cruise all the way down. Okay. So we're just gonna come out to the end, and then we're gonna turn around and end the film. But kind of cool. Then we kind of come out to this whole area, which is like Bomberos, Pinocchio. So we started out here. Anyways, at the market here as well, that's almost closed. And that's where we're gonna end the film. So, okay. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.